Are the mics working or are they
We're live now.
oh, we're live already.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just settling in here. I'm looking for the stream.
Wait, you're pulling it up on all the devices, get some views on there?
Yeah.
Geez, it feels so weird with this lamp not working.
Just making sure everything looks good here.
Mics are working good. Not squeaky.
Yeah, we've SMT the high. How squeaky is that? No, I haven't had issues with them since I did kind of overhaul of the drivers and looked at them and did stuff. Another good. Well, welcome back to the collective. It's welcoming us back too. We haven't been here. When did we stream? 3 weeks ago. Let's go with 3 weeks ago. I guess I could look, but it feels like 3 weeks. Feel rusty.
Yeah, everybody says that too. Feels weird getting back into it after such a long break, especially when you're used to it every day.
Trading or live streaming?
Both.
Yeah, live streaming is especially. Well, I traded the entire time, but live streaming, it's pretty hard.
Okay, well, kind of what I'm looking for. YM yesterday, crazy expansion move of 900 points. Took all-time highs, formed a 4-hour value gap just below. Off of all-time highs, we retraced. We haven't got really any displacement lower with like a good change in state or anything like that. So I'm viewing that as a retracement. NQ's been super slow and choppy, so I'd like to see NQ not get any deep retracements or moves lower. If anything, I wanted to see it on YM or ES take out the London low before seeing higher, because the high a day currently was a failure swing to the previous day's high, which is my objective. But
The high of day.
Yeah, like the current high a day.
Yeah.
Was a failure swing to the previous day's high.
Oh yeah.
So ideally, we would have seen ES or YM manipulate London's low and then trade the reversal. But we could still get it.
Well, we're looking at it already having. Oh, you're talking about that? Okay, my bad.
Yeah, I just don't like the low a day because there's no SMT.
It is a good manipulation
though. Yeah, trade below a 4-hour low. I just wish there was a
trade below New York PM from yesterday and Asia low from today.
Just wish there was some sort of SMT there. Would have made it way better. See. No news today too.
No, Trump speaks it too. Not crazy news. No.
Oh wait, do I have my orange? I might have my orange folder turned off.
Yeah, it's orange today. Just color. It was like a skin.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I should pull this up. Okay, so off that SMT at those highs, we are reacting right now. I mean, I'm bullish on the higher time frame, but what I was admiring is how it left these lows right here. Oops, very equal. Right there. Yeah. So as we trade, as we get the expansion, if you can call it that, I can't really call this expansion. As we move higher throughout this expansion, on the buy side of it, we left these kind of lows at equilibrium, returned back to them, still at equilibrium, and then now we're just kind of getting a push higher away from them. Now, when I first learned about the power that equal lows hold, I thought that all the equal lows are the same, but it takes a great deal of overlapping them with your bias, and if you don't have a strong bias, then you shouldn't be just targeting equal lows without the bias and the setup as well. Right, so in this case, I'm not going to go ahead and short to these equal lows off of the first inversion here. Right, I'm looking at this being the continuation higher. It already took out this high from this morning. London's high. Let's go label that. So the SMT that we do have up here, I'm just watching it on YM. It looks like we're very close to. We are very close to kind of getting rid of that SMT just with YM. But ES here, ES is gonna. Okay, we don't have the SMT on YM anymore because YM likes to always move its own way.
We do have a very small, not very small, just a not super clean SMT on the hourly chart. I guess you can go lower too, like 15, 30 minute. Once we took Asia's low and PM session low from yesterday with YM, but it's not like a super clean one, just because it's like a slow grind higher. Not really putting in a good prominent low or a good manipulation.
Woo. So, for me, I'm only bullish. Everything comes down to this 5-minute balance for me. Everything comes down to there. So, with that information, I can look at it and be like, well, I'm looking for my long model off of it. If it's getting inversed, I can flip my bias, target those lows, and because I always like being bearish, target lower. Because we're still holding this SMT. SMT with the S here. Obviously, on the downside, I would need more confirmation here because it's a shift of bias. But just if we can keep the price action clear here, if we can hold this and deliver from this area higher, it would be beautiful. Because I think I want ES to expand here. I don't really want to watch YM here. Yeah, ES to close up through that hourly would be nice. So I think you taking this high. Not close to that high though. Actually, to get that 50-minute change in state on NQ would be good, but we'd have to close pretty fully. You'd be trading, if you were long, you'd be trading before that, unless you waited for 10. If you waited for 10, then ideally you would see the 4-hour close up above the current high we just put in.
Yeah, the only way I think I'd take a long if we don't get the move lower, which it doesn't look like it on, like YM's already just getting the move. So
the only
NQ
reason
might just go.
The only reason you want the move lower is for YM to trade into the 4-hour.
Well, no, I didn't want to see the move lower on NQ because NQ is already weak enough as it is.
Yeah.
And it hasn't moved. So I wanted to see NQ stay where it's at and then see ES or YM trade to that low and then have SMT there. But I really don't want to see NQ trade down there if we're bullish because it's, yeah, like I said, it's the weakest one already. And I don't want to see it get that deep of a move. Because then it's still in this consolidation. It's not really.
Unless it breaks and dumps all the way to monthly lows. Oh my gosh, I forgot to go over the higher time frame. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Pretty much the whole reason why we're bullish. I mean, we said this, but we didn't show it. This is the low that YM took, right? We're taking that on Friday. What's it going to do? Oh, massive rejection. It's hard to draw on this. It had a really good reversal, right? So with that reversal, what I'm marking out on NQ, this little range, well, what are we doing? Oh, we're right at equilibrium. What do we hold? We hold the order block. Kind of get the reaction, but more or less just looking at ES and YM. Understanding that they're moving away from that level, and on ES, we have this daily imbalance here that we're holding with this SMT. But again, SMTs at both ends of the range, right? Like we have the high SMT here, but then I go and look at the relative equal highs on NQ. These highs are very, very crispy, in my opinion. But we have been in a consolidation, mostly a consolidation for the month of December. So.
Well, it doesn't help that yesterday's candle on NQ was an inside day as well.
Yes, it does not help, but today shall be a bigger day. hopefully. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Did I just do all of that analysis on my bottom monitor? I did do all of that analysis on my bottom monitor. I gotta redo it quick. That's my bad. I said, oh my gosh, I forgot about the daily. Okay, yeah, so this is the low. Right? At this point, when ES and NQ are making that higher low, YM was taking that low, putting good reversal structure. They're both at equilibrium of this range right here. And seeing ES holding this daily imbalance, I'm favoring the bullish S&T here to rally up higher. On NQ, that's rallying into these relative equal highs. Inside day, though, like you mentioned. So it's it would be, as much as I want it to, it would be weird to see the expansion straight through the highs, but I can do it. And then, if you missed it, internal bias here, as long as this 5 minute is holding, I am looking for longs. 5 minute is holding right now. Unless it gets closed below in 50 seconds. Other than that, I'm about a long. Famous last words, I'm about a long. And then don't never say that out loud because the market hears you. And then it just goes. What we got? That's not even bad. That's fine. Targets for this one, we got internal high and Friday's high.
Okay, I don't think we're going to get that move to London's low, so I'm just going to assume that the low day's been put in. I'll look to take something most likely after
I'm in.
10 o'clock. I want to for sure get this.
Oh, I need to double my
candle
size. Ooh. I'm in now. Okay. Ooh, just about fumbled that one. Okay, if you're wondering what I entered on, that's that 15-minute close there. But it's a 1 minute internal for me. So I'll trade the 1 minute.
Yeah, 3 minute change in state.
5 minute closed. Everything that I want to see for a trade just happened right there.
If we would have
and I wish
SMT'd
it was yesterday.
If we would have SMT'd like round open and manipulated, I would have been in on that 3 minute change in state. But I'm just gonna wait for 10 a.m. A little extra confirmation. Make sure that 4 hour low has been put in.
Okay.
I guess we do actually have SMT on the hourly chart.
We've got SMTs. I could not name all of them off the top of my head.
Okay, there. Yeah, no, we got one.
Okay. Now, let's do some more markups. This, I mean, I'm honestly feeling fine with that being a break even, but I have to keep in mind that my stop loss was quite large. I'm gonna manage the risk once we do that, just to see. But again, that target, why is it not over there? The target is Friday's high, the most recent Friday high. I know the weekly high is Friday's high as well, but it's a different Friday. Higher time frame, yeah, I want to go there. Coolio. Let's see. So now what I'm going to do is just delete this SMT. I'm going to mark this as a buy side. I guess I can copy it. Oh no. Do this. Okay. Let's do that. So ES is coming into Friday's buy side right there. And Q is coming up to Monday, previous week high. Wait, today, this week's high. Sorry. Why am I saying Friday's high? Oh, I'm totally mixing those up. Yeah, okay, there. Are you watching the live stream on your phone?
Yeah, I got it up here.
Nice. That's why we got 2 viewers.
There's previous day's high.
Ooh, got that move. But guys, this is financial advice. from a non-financial advisor. So it's not financial advice. I'm going to break even. Just right there. Yes. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday, hopefully it's a rocket day. I like that. Like, honestly, like, if I was in more size, I could be out here. That's my problem. I could look at that and say, I'm content with that. But because I like playing more internal range things, but I really like the target of Friday's high.
I think I'm just gonna look for a 10 a.m. continuation up to Friday's high.
I
We're gonna
forgot,
form a 15-minute gap here at 10 a.m.
I forgot that we're not even at 10 a.m. yet. Still got so much more of the day to be had here. Okay, hold on. I'm thinking about my break even here. Really trying to think. Because there's those equal lows, right? Because I'm below this imbalance here too. I think I have nothing to worry about. I mean, if I was to just follow my trading rules to a T, then I would trust this break even. But I was like the extra safety. Let's go NQ. This might be a, if you can get in, it might be a short live stream.
Yeah. Yeah, as long as it doesn't run all the way up there before 10 a.m., we'll be good. Yeah, so I'm kind of eyeing up that 3-minute gap that we're forming. I'm hoping it just kind of consolidates here for a couple more minutes,
We did take a high.
We
It
did.
does happen when you take a high.
Yeah.
So
I just want to see us continue to like pump through here.
you have got that one account that you need,
Well, my Apex accounts, yeah, I got my Apex accounts ready to go.
but you have one of them that you need to pass today. One of them out of the other ones.
No, these two need to get passed today. Actually, no, I don't have to pass them. They extended their
Did they really?
not the sale, just the PA fee.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Okay. You don't have to worry about that.
If you guys are looking to get Apex accounts, can't use our code because we don't have one yet. I tried, but our social medias aren't big enough, apparently.
Well,
They didn't say there's you need a specific amount of followers. They said you have to live stream. So I was like, oh, we could get a code.
what? Live stream.
And I was like, oh, we live stream. And then they're
Did
like,
you
sorry,
you said,
social media accounts don't meet the criteria. I was like, man.
well, what if all 30 of our subscribers used the code? Then I could buy more accounts.
I wonder if you could do that, like from your Apex dashboard with your affiliate, whatever, just directly buy more accounts. Have a bunch of PAs ready to go. So by the sounds of it, you can have a lot of reserves on Apex. I mean, so ideally, what I'd want to see is 10 a.m. open, YM trade into its 15-minute gap, NQ trade into its, well, it'll probably have a 5-minute gap, and then just wait for a continuation signature. Keep it simple.
Maybe continuation signatures now.
Well, we're just so close to 10 a.m. open. I want to just wait for that.
You got to ride the rocket. Oh my gosh, but okay, good. I was just making sure I set my copy trader up.
Okay.
There was one time I forgot to check it, and I got really mad when I realized I did not make $2,000 and I only made $400. Especially after thinking I made 2,000.
Yeah.
The issue was when you have an XFA and it reaches over the $2,000 profit or not buffer, you make $2,000 on it. Then they increase your contract limit. But if the account that is the leader has a higher contract limit than the other accounts, when they make that adjustment, they don't let you have the copy trader open. They don't warn you or anything. They just did that.
They just shut your copy trader down.
Yeah, and they're like, you should have paid attention to that. I'm like, well, I usually trust your software. This was back a while ago. And I'm talking about TopStat. We've had a few of the days that we've live streamed
Issues.
where the charts were shut down.
Besides their issues, though, their platform is really good.
That's sexy. Yes, I like their platform.
Like, way better. I'm using Quantar right now. It's
And TopStat.
so bad.
You're doing both.
Yeah, but Quantar is so bad.
It feels
It feels archaic. That's the right word, right? I think that's the right word. It just, yeah. Like, it takes like 30 seconds to like change chart and then put a limit down.
archaic is the right word.
Yeah.
There's a period. What's the archaic period? Archaic's really old. Wow. Wow. That's a long time ago. That's like pyramid phase. Or what they think when they think the pyramids are built.
Okay, so 5 minutes until 10. Now? What? Did they change his time?
Oh my gosh. He is a volatile. He will be a volatile man right now. Talking with these guys from the U.S., they're like, "Oh, I guess we own Venezuela now." It's like I'm gonna go buy some land there.
Jeez.
As a Canadian, I haven't got too many opinions.
Oh,
on
the petition is out. You see that? The petition? The petition to sign?
Oh.
It's out now.
So if any of you guys are from the States and want to help Alberta out, you can go sign the petition to separate the Alberta from the rest of Canada.
I don't know where we go. Like,
No,
is it just online or do you have to go somewhere?
Uh,
Probably online somewhere.
Yes, everybody from the States get your Alberta residency and vote.
I wouldn't complain if I was part of the States.
No, not for that.
Yeah, well, I don't know if, yeah. I mean, Trump would for sure. Oh, I'm sure it's not like he's got a,
They're trying to be the sovereign state of Alberta.
it's not like he's got to bomb Alberta and like capture the president.
I think we'll willingly go in with like an open embrace.
Yeah.
Please take our oil. Please.
Okay.
Please make us
3 minutes.
richer, lower our taxes, give us better tax structures and loopholes, and make us capitalist. We're almost there. One thing I miss about live streaming is the talks that you can have while you're waiting for the trades to hit. I don't think any other live stream it's as good, and I think people can't appreciate it because there's no viewers. But when you take a live stream that's got say even 500 viewers, like it's a lot.
Jeez, if we had
For
like
trading.
5 viewers, I'd be pumped.
Just let me hear me out. What they're doing is they're answering chat and they're answering questions. It's not like it's informative. Sure, is it entertaining? I don't know. We've definitely got our informative segments. You just need to give a peek over to the collective more often. I'm gonna need to clip this up and put it on my Twitter actually.
Okay. potential continuation here, if we can get it. I mean, we're only 45 points away from the final objective. So I would like to see
Boys and girls, I
attrition first.
partialed at 758.50. So I partialed 1. Rate Amundo. Right there. I don't have a partial thing. I'll just do this. Make it green. Oh, that's not the... I'm going to make it green. There. Let's make it really thick, too. There, you can see it. One funny iced tea saying.
Talking about the elephant in the pool.
Both, I guess I could. Okay, we're gonna rework the elephant in the pool visualization. Okay, hold on. Let me just get. There's a song too. I'm gonna listen to it. Well, hold on. Okay, I'm talking about the the green.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm gonna talk about. I gotta get one on the chart though. But there's a song about it. Did you know that?
I didn't.
It's actually not that bad.
Okay, there's 10 a.m.
Cool. And Trump's talking. That'd be funny. I should look. We should figure out if Trump's actually talking or not.
Yeah, if we could retrace really anywhere, just any of those 5-minute gaps, I'd look to get in there.
No, I gotta remove the background before I do that.
We do quite a bit of speed though, so might get left behind, but hopefully not.
I saw this. Oh no. Oh, yeah, right there. Oh. Okay, now take it and copy. Does it work? Is it not copying? Okay. I don't know if we can do that. Oh, I can't do that. What? Oh, damn it. Okay. That worked.
Can you just paste on TradingView?
Yeah, well, I tried. I tried to make it. I made it a. I made it see through.
Is that a Lamborghini?
It's a Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Why can't I copy it? Oh, right here. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. There's the PNG. There we go. Okay. So, something I see talked about one time was the elephant in the pool. where you can imagine an elephant stepping into a kiddie pool and how much water would be shot out of it, and that's what he called displacement, and that's what we had down here, right? But you know, when you're specifically going up, you could call them green limousines.
He was talking about just regular limousines pulling up to a nightclub or something.
Yes,
I can't remember what he was relating it to.
it's so funny. I have to find it now. I can explain it better.
That's a lot of ICT videos to go through.
Oh. He was saying, imagine a limousine pulling up to a nightclub. A nightclub is your accumulation. Or no, is it the other way around?
Was it a liquidity sweep? I can't remember.
Which one's is it the Target is the nightclub, or is the it's Target's?
I don't remember.
Target's the nightclub.
But I definitely know it was a black limousine. Like it was just a regular limousine. Like it wasn't anything to do with
Was it really?
like yeah.
I think he changed it after.
Well, no, because we were like, oh, he's talking about limousines. What about green? We need green limousines because I think he was talking about a sell side scenario,
Okay, yeah.
and then we flipped it for a
Yeah.
for a bullish one.
Okay, so look at this pre-market. What's going on? Nothing's really going on.
Everybody's partying at the nightclub.
Pre-game. They're pre-gaming. They're you know the party before the party. What's the party? Well, that's open, right? These guys are going to be late. They're accumulating. What do? They have to go back in the house, which is the 5-minute fair value up, because they forgot their wallet. They got it. Guess what pulls up to pick them up? The green limousine. And what happens with that? Well, let's make it a bit bigger so you can see. It drives all the way up to buy side, hits a red light, and then keeps going. And then once it gets to Friday's high, it arrives at the club. There.
Okay, we're getting
Now,
storm retracement now below 10 a.m. open.
other people can get out and they can party on the dance floor here, which I guess you could make it like, you know, the GAN box.
Yeah.
If you like open everything, if you reset it to, if I go, now they all get out on the dance floor,
Oh yeah.
the GAN floor. Okay, I'm gonna remove this.
Okay,
All
and
jokes there.
you a little bit lower, please.
I should clip that up. The green limousine. The
Uh,
so just remember, I did that partial. Now, with it rallying to the Friday side, I'll make an extra R here. So but I do also want to do something. Once it hits there, I want to can we go any higher? I really wish I had better risk on this trade, because usually if I'm in this trade, I've gotten a setup where my risk's like that, right? So now could you imagine? I'd just be all out for a 3R here instead of my partial, which brought me to only up 1R. So I've realized 1R on, and then I've got half an R running to make another R, which would make it 2R, not 2.5R. They need to add, well, not that it really matters to me, but if they had a limit, but it was more of a function to just go to break even, I'd like that. They have a button for it though. Did you know that?
mm-hmm.
Yeah. Have you used it?
No.
Closes my position out at break even.
Yeah.
It eliminates the profit I'm currently floating and it just closes it out at break even. No, that'd be funny.
Oh, geez. Okay. Well, might not get the retracement here.
Depending on how much juice we have as we green limousine all the way to the nightclub, then I'm gonna do a little slide to it. Partial and slide, maybe. I mean, if we got right to that Friday's high and it was very quick, like within 3 candles, then I'd be trailing. As we try and displace through it, I'd want to milk it, right? Just squeeze it a little bit more. A short squeeze. We're short squeezing the big institutions right now. How's the oil doing today? I've been seeing people rotate to gold quite a bit though. Oil's down. Keep in mind this is that's like the broad oil market. That's everything. CL, that's not Canadian crude oil. That's all crude oil. Oh my gosh, Canadian crude stocks. Ooh. They'd be dipping.
Yeah, why are stocks down so bad? And fucking the market's up. Stocks right now.
Maybe I should close my trade. It's funny you said that just as it dumped.
Well, it's just fucking weird.
Well, like energy is down.
No, keep sweet talking it. Let me get in here. Like Sophie and all that down 6%. It's like how the market's fucking up.
Well, the big players in the Nasdaq are held by. They're holding it up, right? Like Nvidia's up, so Nasdaq's up. Right? It's pretty much that.
Isn't Nvidia up?
Yeah.
A lot or what?
Well, up 2%. So the Nasdaq's up because of that. It closed and it opened with a large gap, filled half of it, had a really nice rally, and then it's got a higher target, I think. Yeah, a lot of, I don't know, pretty much everything on my list here is. Oh, that's not stocks though. Yeah, some cryptos are down. Bitcoin's down. Bitcoin's flat. Ethereum's up. But stocks. Tesla's down decently. So Sophie's just down a lot. I don't know why. SoFi. But everything I'm looking at is up. It's funny how MicroStrategy is down. Bitcoin's flat. And actually, Bitcoin's green. MicroStrategy's down. Ethereum's up 2%. So Bummer's tracking behind it. Tracking behind.
Yeah.
It's not caught up to what Ethereum's up. Platinum is up 5% today.
What was that?
Platinum. Like platinum futures. What? Look at the run.
Okay, we have 4 minutes until this 50-minute candle closes.
Dude, I put a paper
I
put a paper trade in jokingly here at like $1,000 because I was like, it's been consolidating for those are days. I said, look at it, and then shoots
That's
up
crazy.
156%.
That's platinum.
Yeah, it's platinum.
Remember that live cattle trade I took?
Oh my god, I remember that LEI. The live
One and only trade on live cattle was a 4-hour market maker model that ran like 3R in like a couple days.
is
Only.
it LIE? No, LEI. LE. Okay.
Yeah, a little 4-hour swing on live cattle.
What's it? Which one was it?
It was
the daily.
It was a long time. It was like a year ago.
It's over a year ago for sure. I think it was in here.
Yeah, I don't know.
It was like 2023.
All I know is
December 2023.
it was a 4-hour. I took the 4-hour gap off of the reversal. First 4-hour gap.
I don't have data on the 4-hour. Darn it.
Whoa, and Q. Hold on here.
That's a good retracement.
It didn't retrace to anything though. Didn't retrace to a 5-minute gap.
Look at ES. It hasn't even moved.
I honestly like that 50-minute gap we're gonna form here in a couple minutes. We can just dip our toes into that really quick.
I'm going to extend my TP so it retraces for you.
Yeah. No, and leave your limit at break even, because it seems to be like a magnet. Just pull price down to your break even just a little bit.
It's
not,
not,
not there.
if it goes to my break even, you shouldn't be long. I don't think.
No, if it goes that deep, no, I won't be long.
Well, actually, that's not true. It can come down there and go back higher.
Wait, where's your break even?
It's
Oh, that's like below the 5 minute though, right?
it's at
I wouldn't want to see it go that low.
It's at 66.75. If you go to the 1 minute, you can look at it.
Yeah, that's like right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Ideally, don't see that low actually. I'd like to see this 15-minute gap that we're gonna form here in a minute, 2 minutes. Oh, don't do it, thank you. I don't want to chase. I'm not chasing. We might have a 5-minute change in state though. But it's not off an SMT or a gap or anything, so we'll see. Probably just leave it. I would like if we get one more move lower.
Well, I'm gonna go make another coffee. Hey, you gotta tell me if it takes that Friday high.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless I'm back. Oh my shit, my coffee's just cold. I thought it was empty.
Okay, there's the 50-minute gap formed.
Yep.
I'm not in though. We didn't get the 3-minute change today, and we just formed the 50-minute gap. I'd really like to see us trade to that 50-minute.
Yeah.
It would offer a way better trade. Yeah, there. So if we trade into that 50-minute gap and then get a 3-minute order block or something out of it, I'll take that long. And then I'll be all out at Friday's high.
Should see if it's a lamp issue or if it's a light issue. Wait, can I not leave this in? Move it up, move it up, move it up. You think it's a light lamp issue?
Hopefully light.
I hope it's a lamp issue. Oh wait, no. Yeah,
You don't want the lamp to be broken.
No, I know. It might be cheaper to buy the new light bulb. Maybe it's on already.
Yeah, I don't know.
Are you ready to be blinded?
So it is a light bulb
It's
issue.
working. Light bulb
It's a light bulb issue. That's good.
Okay. Maybe this one will work now. I mean, usually.
Was that the one that came with it?
This one.
Oh, and we just swapped it.
Oh, it broke. It blew up.
Did you leave it on last night?
No, shut up.
Okay.
That's why I was confused.
Well, because you left the lights on down here on.
Is that really?
So I wasn't sure. I was like, maybe you left those ones on too. You're just like sleepwalking or something.
I'm not gonna leave this one in here. It sucks.
Okay. Might not get the retracement. We got the 3-minute change in state now. See what happens here.
Cool. We can go buy a light today.
We might have extras here. Need a specific kind, eh?
Yes. Want that warm feel.
If we would have traded to that 5-minute gap, I probably would have taken this 3-minute, but because we didn't trade to anything on that retracement, fell short of the 5-minute gap, created a 15-minute gap. I don't want to take it.
Some tea in there and I'm fucking along. It's a little fucking either way.
Okay, we'll see.
Take a hit here, it looks like.
We're just still consolidating, so hopefully it
Taps a 50-minute gap
and then rallies.
and then pumps right away. Yep. Yeah, I don't really want to see, like, I mean, if you mark out the equilibrium of the current the previous 4-hour candle, that's where you want to see the wick be formed. In the upper half, you want to see it stay in the upper half of the previous 4-hour candle to support expansion. And that equilibrium lines up with pretty much the low portion of that 5-minute that we formed at like 9:45. So yeah, don't want to see a super deep retracement. Just wick into that 50-minute gap if we can, and then rally from there. ES and YM are both super bullish too, which is good. ES is displaced through the previous day's high, forming that 15-minute gap as well. YM currently it was only 30 points away from the previous day's high. We do have an S&P with the previous day's high, but we're not reversing on the assets that took it, so I'm not worried about a reversal. Any move lower, I'm really just going to view as a retracement. And I don't need to see NQ trade to it. I need to see either ES or NQ trade to it. As long as I can frame the low of the 4-hour. Right, so S&T with the gap fill. We got 5 points away from it. And then we reversed 20 points. 25 points. So we formed a 3-minute order block. YM did trade down and take that low. So there is technically SMT there, but it wasn't with the 50-minute gap, which you don't need to see. Oh, nice. Okay.
Is that good?
No, this one I got paid. I gave back $300 profit.
Oh, fuck.
You're still holding?
Diamond balls. I mean, diamond hands. Balls of steel. It's not diamond balls. I guess you could mix the two.
I don't think he is.
I need a freaking big on air. I need a big on air sign when Trump gets on stage anywhere. Live news. Live. He's talking right now. Does my monitor have
What's he yapping about?
hold on, I can mute the it's talking about the guy, the leader in Caracas or whatever.
Why do you want to frame? I don't know, but he should be she reaches time. What does that say? It says me. Well, that's what I believe. And you know, you see the sign, it's like, Lisa, we should all have quality signs like that. But one thing I want this sign that can be nice.
He's funny.
A homeless girl in Caracas has a sign. It says Free Maduro. He's like, there's one sign quality is real good. Lisa, we gotta get those signs. We gotta get in contact with their sign maker.
The yellow is a beautiful shade of yellow. No, I want to find that. That is a wonderful much better than our time.
What?
We have the most powerful, most lethal, most sophisticated, and most fierce, and military, one planet Earth, and it's not even, see, I've been saying it for a long time, nobody can do this, nobody will know what. Read all, you see everything, nobody could have done that, nobody has our weapons, nobody has the quality of our weapons, problems we will produce it faster, companies got to produce it much faster. Companies with the best weapons in the world, but it takes too long, including our lives. Wait 4 years for a plane, 5 years for a helicopter. Letting that happen anymore. We're telling our defense contractors and stuff. You know, that makes. I have a big problem. I'm the king. I have sold more Boeings than any other thing. They gave me an award, salesman of the year. I said, what about salesman of the in the history of Boeing? Why should they wait 3 more years to get it? The F-35s, it takes too long to get up. The Apache helicopter. India coming, we served, been waiting 5 years. We're changing. India ordered 68 Apaches. And Prime Minister Modi came to see me and said, it's, I don't know, it's not that happy with me because, you know, they are stuff because they're not, you know, but they are. But now we're losing for substantially, you know, from Brian. We had to rich because of tariffs, but I hope everyone understands it. They hate to report. We have over $650 billion poured into our country for coming in short because of tariffs. You know, they're finding all of these pockets of money a couple of weeks ago. Sir, we're off by $39 billion. Or we should. Sure, it's 39 billion that we can't account for. That means we have an extra billion. Yes, sir. What do you say? We don't know where it came from. I said, check the tariff show. Sure, that tariff doesn't start until September. I said, no. It started about a month ago. Check it. Comes back.
Could you imagine a audiobook read by Trump?
I mean, with AI, you probably could get one made.
It sounds like your grandpa.
I think him and Trump would get along really well.
Your grandpa sounds like Trump.
That'd be funny. Eh?
Oh my god, they would too. That's. So Trump is live. So maybe that explains a bit of the consolidation, the uncertainty. We're failing to get to Friday's high. Yeah. Come on, Trump, tell them.
See what he says.
Tell them they're sending it to Friday's high here. Tell them.
No, but I did say I would prefer to see it go lower. And it is, yeah.
Ooh, that coffee is hot. Let's get a little pump here. Just finish the consolidation off. Trump, say something. It's hot.
The only thing is he's gonna get questioned on something, and he's gonna say something but offside, and fucking shit's gonna go up or down. Yeah. Is this your funded or is this your eval? This is just the Apex evals.
Where are you on MAQ though?
Well, in case I gotta do like 35 or whatever. Actually, was supposed to do 35, but
No, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you? Pump it up.
Okay, there. ES traded to that 30-minute gap and the 15-minute gap. So
Oh, I keep forgetting that I'm in this trade too. Getting
now I would look for
getting retraced on. I'm losing money right now.
now I would look for a continuation.
Okay.
So we have SMT fill.
Account has a 1 week fucking activity rule.
That's fast. That's kind of weird. Maybe meet it real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta get my copy trader set up.
Oh no, did I shift the thing?
Oh fuck! How much time do I have till this close?
Fucking now.
Oh, I don't have time to set up cover chair.
Yeah, you do 20 seconds.
Yeah, it's not enough time. On Contar?
That's it. You're cold.
If I don't get this, well, if I don't get this close, I'll set it up here.
You come on. You could have had it set up by now. You could have
4
had it
accounts?
set
I
up.
don't think so.
You could have clicked 4 accounts, yeah, by now. Okay, go.
Okay, we're
Getting
good.
close. Go.
Copy trading. Delete this one.
Yes. Don't risk 3K on it.
Yeah.
It's like 650 or something.
Okay. Rhythmic. One. Two.
About to get the close.
And
About to get the close.
4.
The bear
So-
change its state.
So you make it broken here though.
Yeah. So far, I'm very happy with where I partialed, but I wish it was all of it, and so I didn't have to sit through this and keep watching it. How many do you got right there?
4.
Not there.
2.
Okay, well, internal sweep on ES still has that S&T. You can mark it up. So, I want to see this. Give a good rally here. Good attempt. Thing is, now you got a good change in state level
Mm-hmm.
for the order block you'll form.
Wait, I'll take the 3-minute.
And so, what if there's no
Yeah.
S&T? It's a 50-minute fair value yet, right? If it's going to deliver, it would deliver off that. It honestly looks clean. I might be able to get in a second trade and have like great risk on it.
Yeah, I mean we still have S&T with that 15-minute gap, so I'll take the 3-minute change in state.
Or if it taps the 50-minute, you'll take the corresponding trade.
Yeah, there's a 50-minute gap on AQ.
You think we're gonna reverse it all, or you think we're gonna reverse and go higher?
Well, it should right away here. If it does, I'll take the 1-minute change in state probably.
Doing a sneaky add in trail. So now I've covered the extra risk added here. In case it well, I added an extra contract, so I doubled my profit target, I guess.
I want to see a fast V shape off here though. I don't want to see us.
Yeah, I'm looking for that too. I'm gonna try and do some cool
You're in a
stuff.
gold trade?
Okay, cool. Yeah, if we get like a real crazy quick one, be nice. I'll add and then cover again. Add and trail. It's the size and slide.
I do want to see it happen within the next like 2 candles though.
I wanted this candle. I wanted it that candle. Maybe the next candle. Next candle if it's closing up above that 1045, 1044 candle. Yeah, if it's not just absolutely blasting right now, it's not going to go to those the Friday highs. And I'm fine. I'll take the the adjusted fill price now is there. That's the adjusted fill price. This target, not that break even, but I'll just leave it there. If we get the immersion, I could do a big brain idea. I could add another contract and then add and trail, right?
Yep.
Only if it happens. This candle needs to be good. Needs to be quick. Trades are always good when they're leaving you behind. That's how you know. Because that's expansion. If they're leaving you behind. It's about the easiest way to tell. But you have to be able to get in on your entry model. And it shouldn't be based off of the feeling of being left behind. So there's no trade setup yet. It might not be.
It is slow.
We just poured the concrete for the
We are gonna have a
done the
hourly
groundwork.
We are gonna have an hourly gap here open up in 10 minutes. So if we consolidate, we might get one more drop into there. But if we do that, I wouldn't want to see this consolidation again. But if we get like 2 displacement candles higher with a gap, that's all I need to see. Ooh.
5 minute fair value got tapped.
Dumping.
Now it'd be cool to rally. Because we got movement. Oh, I got taken out of break even right there.
Holy man. Good thing about this is we have a good 3-minute change in state level to take if we get it. If we get good displacement back up.
We might go for those equal lows. just because why not, right? Oh, well, I'm glad I added and trailed because I probably gonna get taken out of break even anyway, or would have gotten taken out of break even.
Might even trade to that 4-hour order block.
Might even trade to those equal lows. This is the original break even here. Boom. Yeah, I just wasn't gonna let it come back all the way down to my break even, so I added, thinking it would give it a good shot at rallying, and totally I'm fine with the this move here, taking me out. I don't want to partake in it anymore.
I'll still look to take this off the hourly gap at 11 o'clock here. That'll be my last look. If we don't get a reaction out of the hourly gap, then I'll be done for the day. Because I want it to be a reversal. I want to see it wick into the hourly gap and then expand right away. So if we continue to consolidate, trade into the hour and then consolidate, then I wouldn't take anything. ES traded to its 4-hour order block. All right, here's the new hour. 10 seconds. Okay, there's the hourly gap traded too.
For Scales has got the I'm balding haircut, where you can flop it over and hide it.
Oh yeah.
Flip.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see through it.
It's kind of like how yours plays now, but you're not balding. I don't know what I need to do. I'm just gonna try and take down Mexico's cartel. Try to take over Mexico too.
Okay, there's a 4-hour order block on NQ. That's the lowest I'd want to see us go. We're gonna get the expansion higher. Still have SM2 at the hourly gap.
The whole southern hemisphere is in play. That's what Trump said. You know what that means? It's a big boy play there, Trump. Well, if he is Venezuela, you might as well have like Cuba, Guatemala, Belize, Mexico, Costa Rica, Nicaragua. You might as well just have all of them. You can leave Haiti out of there. People, people go to Haiti and go to the beach clubs. Ooh, I'd be able to break even right there. So, Whoopsie doo, Nasdaq took a poo. I'm done trading. I don't know about you.
I also think something if we can actually get a move off of this hourly gap, I'll take a trade.
You good with ending the live stream?
Yeah, we can end it because we might not get
Because
anything.
we're
But if
gonna
we do, if we
watch
get a just watch. If we get like a 5-minute gap or we just get a strong move off of where we're at right now, I'm probably in longs, and you'll see a recap on Twitter.
Unless it loses.
No,
I'm kidding.
no, I post everything. If it keeps dumping though, I won't be taking anything. I'll end the day flat burrito.
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
I mean, we should end the live stream actually, because every time we end it, we actually get the move.
Have fun with ADP NFP tomorrow. So, which is not the full NFP, just to be clear. Friday as NFP. Okay, yeah, we'll see you guys. It was a good live stream. It was fun. Limousine was funny.